Personal hotspots on iPhones are notoriously finicky. If you have a different device and you're trying to connect to the hotspot on your iPhone and it's not working, I'm going to walk you through some steps to definitely get that fixed. Now, the first thing that we will do is swipe down from the top right and just try this real quick. Toggle airplane mode on. This will disconnect from your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, as well as your mobile data, and then just turn airplane mode back off. See if that works. If that doesn't work, we're going to head into your settings next. So tap on settings, and you probably have guessed it, we're going to head into your personal hotspot. Right under cellular, just tap on personal hotspot. Of course, turn this on, and when I turn it on, notice at the very top right, it goes from Wi-Fi over to 5G. That's the reason for that is because when you connect a different device to this iPhone's hotspot, essentially it goes through your mobile or cell data. Now on here, you can see Wi-Fi password. Make sure they are getting the correct Wi-Fi password here or the hotspot password. And then next thing I would recommend doing is scrolling down because there is an option for maximize compatibility. Now, if you have another iPhone that you're trying to connect or Mac or anything like that, you don't usually need to turn this on. But if the other device trying to connect to your iPhone's hotspot is not an Apple product, you need to turn on maximize compatibility for it to work properly. Now, after we've gone through that steps, you can see at the very top, I have 5G. I need to make sure that I have a good internet connection, basically because I need to make sure the internet coming to my phone is fast enough to then turn around and power a different device. So on here on Google, I'm just going to type in speed test and hit run speed test. So you're looking to see if you have a good and stable internet connection. In my home, I don't have a great one. You can see only 1, 2, 3 megabytes per second. So it wouldn't work very good for a hotspot. If it is really slow, you might just need to go somewhere that you have better signal, where you have a bit faster for your mobile or cell data. Now, if you do have good data, let's go back into your settings because we're going to do a couple other things. Let's go back to the very beginning of your settings here. And you can see under Bluetooth is cellular. Just tap on your cellular option. And first, we're going to toggle the cellular data off. This will disconnect from your cell data. And then we're going to toggle it back on and make sure under personal hotspot, this is turned on as well. If you go through all these steps and it's still not working, the next thing that I would recommend doing is going back to the very beginning of your settings. We're going to tap on General and then scroll to the very bottom and hit Shutdown. You'd be surprised how many times just turning off your phone and turning it back on fixes a lot of bugs or glitches on your iPhone. So shut it down and turn it back on. If all of these don't work, the next thing I would recommend doing is hitting the Transfer or Reset iPhone at the very bottom. Next, I would tap on Reset at the very bottom. Once you find that, you're going to choose the Reset Network Settings, the second option. Just tap on that. Now, after you've done that, enter the passcode in. This will reset all of your network settings, your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, your cell data, including that mobile hotspot. It will basically reset all of that. If you go through all of these steps and it's still not working, there is potentially an issue with your carrier. So if you open up again on Google and you can type in mobile hotspot data limit, and then whatever you have. I have AT&T. You can see if I type that into Google, it says some plans offer AT&T Unlimited, offer 60 gigabytes of hotspot data, while others don't offer that. Maybe I'll only offer 5 gigabytes of hotspot data. So keep in mind, it could be limited by your carrier, basically saying, hey, you've used too much hotspot on your iPhone. And essentially at that point, they'll cut it off until the new billing cycle. So you might need to log into your carrier to see if they're limiting it or basically turning it off on their end.